Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeff from Robotics, and today I have a really neat product review for you. These are called Gator Eyes. They are LED clip lights that have a little magnet on them to make them very versatile and easy to attach. They're also super intense and really bright. They are sold and developed right here in Waverly, Iowa. So if you're interested in supporting some local business, check out the link in the description below to find out how you can get these lights. They are actually invented by people here in Waverly, and I thought they were a really interesting product, so I thought that I would just show them to you today. So we're going to do a quick little unboxing and review of the lights, and I'll tell you what I think. So let's get started. Alright, so here we have the package, and it just comes in like a little 5-pack here. The packaging is very simple. It just breaks right open like this. And then you have this little cardboard attachment on here, and it gives you some potential uses for these, but they're actually really useful. So this is the thing. They have these little alligator clips on them, and they also have this little magnet on the back of these. And once you turn these on, they come in a 5-pack here, but you might only need a couple of them. They are very bright and they're quite handy. I don't know if you can quite see how bright these things are, but they are super bright. I know that at least one of the developers of these things is an actual medical doctor, and he thought that these would be very handy in his practice. So a couple of them got together and figured this thing out. So let's have a closer look at this. So as you can see here, we have just one of the individual lights, and on the back here is the magnet, and I'll just take a razor blade to show you guys that it sticks. And then it has this little nice alligator clip, so you can clip it onto things. It has a little switch to turn it on. Now it's powered by a little lithium-ion battery cell, or maybe 2 in here, and this is all sealed up with some type of epoxy. I did try to remove that, but it's actually sealed on really well, and I don't think that I can take this off without removing it. If you guys would like to see me remove that and pull this completely apart, I'd be happy to do that for you. But basically that's it. It's a very simple tool. So here it is really quick. And as you can see, that shines pretty brightly, and this is about maybe about a foot away from the camera. So I really like these things, and I'm going to try to find a couple of uses for these and just kind of demonstrate their functionality. So one of the first things I thought up for this was to use these lights to help illuminate my 3D printer. And obviously I could go a lot of other routes, but I thought that these clip lights would make it very useful because I can move them around and position them just like I want. And as you can see here, this is lighting up the build plate quite well. If I remove them, it gets a little bit darker. So I like that idea for that application. So I know I might look a little bit goofy here with these attached to my glasses, and I know not all of you wear glasses, but these are meant to clip on to hats and such as well. And I was worried that the lights were going to be too bright for my eyes back here, but since they have these little epoxy domes on them, it really doesn't affect my eyes at all, and I can completely illuminate whatever is in front of me. So I think for my intricate working such as soldering and such, this would be a really great handy little tool for that. Speaking of soldering, let's try to illuminate something that I'm going to be soldering here just with these. So now I've got these Gator Eyes just clipped here onto my helping hands, and they are illuminating my circuit board here, and I am pretty much ready to get soldering on that. As you can see with the lights off, it has, turn these off here. So there, the LEDs are off. And there the LEDs are on. So that's a pretty big difference. And lastly, of course, these things are bright enough to work as a little night light or as a little flashlight to keep around in your pocket in case you need to navigate your way around in the dark. So I've just turned everything off here, and we're going to go ahead and take a look around my lab with all the lights off. So here we go. Here's my camera set up here. And here is where I started recording the video. So as you can see, this one little Gator Eye does quite a bit to light up the room in the dark. But it certainly makes a nice handy tool if you're just trying to find your way through a dark room. Alright guys, so that was just my suggestions on what you could possibly do with these Gator Eye LED clips here. I like them. I think they're really a neat product here. The only suggestion that I would make to the manufacturers is that the alligator clip section might be a little more grippy. The tension is great, but as far as when I tried to clip it onto something more than say 8 millimeters thick, they did like to kind of pop off. So if there was some type of more adhesive material or something that could take a better grip into something like that, that would be awesome, because then they could even stick to more things. But otherwise, I love these lights. These are so cool. I think they're engineered really well, and I think they're a nice color of green too, actually. So I think they're really handy. I actually plan on getting some more of these things because I definitely have some more ideas to use them in my workspace. Anyway, guys, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you hated it, give me a thumbs down. Either way, let me know what you think in the comments. Have you tried these Gator lights yet? Can you think of any more uses? I'm sure there's thousands of them. I'd love to hear from you guys and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you're reminded every time that I make a new video like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.